Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Self-assessment exercise 12.3 of chapter number 12, and the name of this chapter is hydrocarbons. So there are two reactions and we have to complete these two reactions. These are the hydrogenation reactions of alkene and alkyne. In the first reaction, this is a member of alkene family and this is a member of alkyne family. So when alkene family reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel, so this is the hydrogenation of alkene. And similarly, when alkyne is reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel, so this is a reaction of hydrogenation. This is the hydrogenation reaction of alkene and alkyne are the method for the preparation of alkane. So through this reaction we can prepare alkane. These are the preparation reactions of alkane family. So in the first reaction, CH3 CH double bond CH2, there are three carbon atoms. So for the three carbon atom it is prop, but there is one double bond between carbon to carbon, so it is propene. When propene is reacted with one molecule of hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degree centigrade temperature, so it is the hydrogenation reaction of alkene. So in hydrogenation reaction, the double bond has been breaked and will be breaked, and the valencies of these two carbon will be completed by this hydrogen atom. Means that this CH3 CH, now there will be single bond between this molecule. When single bond will remain, so this carbon and this carbon will have one valency less. So the valencies of this carbon atom will be completed by two hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom will move to this carbon, so it will be now 2, and one hydrogen will move to this carbon, now it will be 3. So CH3 CH2 CH3, it is propane. There are three carbon atoms and each carbon atom having single bond between each other. So propene will be converted into propane by hydrogenation reaction of alkene. This is the hydrogenation reaction of alkene. So in the second reaction is the hydrogenation reaction of alkyne. Hydrogenation reaction of alkyne. For the hydrogenation reaction of alkyne, when alkyne is reacted with one molecule of hydrogen gas, it will be converted into alkene. But when it is reacted with two molecules of the hydrogen atom, so alkyne will be converted into alkane. Means that CH3 C triple bond CH, when it will be reacted by single molecule of hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degree centigrade temperature, triple bond will be converted into double bond, and the valency of these two carbon atom will be completed by these two hydrogen atom. One hydrogen will move to this carbon and one hydrogen atom will move to this carbon, so it will be CH3 C double bond CH. One hydrogen will move this carbon, so it will be now CH, and one hydrogen will move to this carbon, now it is CH2. So propine will be converted into propene by reacting single hydrogen atom. When again this propine will be reacted by another hydrogen gas molecule in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degree centigrade temperature, the double bond will be converted into single bond, and the valency of both carbon will be completed by these hydrogen. One hydrogen move to this carbon having already two carbon atom. When one hydrogen atom also came, so it will be 3 hydrogen, and it will be, there will be 2 hydrogen, so it will be CH3 CH2 CH3, means that propane. Or we can also write the reaction, these two reaction in a single step like that. When when propane is reacted with 2 molecules of hydrogen atoms in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degree centigrade temperature, so triple bond will be converted into single bond, and there are 4 hydrogen atom. 2 will be goes to this carbon and 2 will be goes to this carbon. Now it will be CH3, there is no carbon, 2 carbon came to this 2 hydrogen will came to this carbon, so it will be CH2. Triple bond will be converted to single bond, and there is 1 hydrogen when 2 more hydrogen came, so it is CH3. So propane will be converted directly into propane by reacting 2 molecules of hydrogen atom. When we react propane or any alkyne with 1 hydrogen atom, it will be converted into alkene. For to convert into alkane, we have to react with 2 hydrogen molecules, hydrogen gas molecules. So this is the self-assessment exercise 12.3. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.